Let's open it up, people. Drum roll. Frank here from inside the garage. Got a busy day happening. We are staying busy and we are grateful. But you know, when you get a little care package, gift package, you gotta take time out. And from our friends at BG, we got a nice card recently at the Apex 2019 show. Congratulations on being amazing. Well, thank you. You have won our Apex 19 social media contest. We are just elated here in the garage. And so I figured, let's open this up together. The BG swag bag. And of course, you guys know the BG product. We're big fans here in the garage. Also serves our customer client base happily. And that's the key. They really are excited when we do this product in their vehicles for their service. Let's open it up, people. Now, this is not quite the bag. It is the box, but we are gonna do the box opening. And let's see. There we go. Let's see. Oh, daddy. Look at what we got right here. We got a nice thermo. Let's open this up from Contigo. Thank you, BG. You guys rock. And there it is. Pretty cool little thermos. We can always use one of them. I got like 6.8 kids. They all want something. And that is that. So we wanted to send a big shout out, big hugs. Wait a minute. Stop. I got so excited. There's stuff inside. So wait. There's more. We got, oh yeah, a little funnel action. Got some nice little screwdriver action, little pocket screwdriver. Oh yeah, we got some more goodies. Oh, and this nice little, looks like a little flashlight action for the keychain. Got some stickers. Got some directions for Contigo, don't burn yourself. That's what we're talking about. Big shout out, big hugs, love to our family at BG. Thank you very much for the Contigo. You guys rock.